Do you see it? Study this setup for just a minute. There's something really interesting here, and it's how design works, at least how it works in my head. When I'm out in the field, when I'm working, I'm always using my tools, and I'm always thinking about, I had to do this extra thing, or this has a little shortcoming, how can I improve it? And then one improvement or one situation with the ProStop Extend that I tried to solve when I designed it, I didn't come up with a solution. The problem, minor though it is I've got this skinny little stop and it's out on this end, so you got a lot of flex going on. So once I push this out to its full extension and lock it down on 50, now the stop goes out into space here. I wanted to have a support on the bottom side of this flag stop so that when it was out here and I run material out, that it would hook on there and hold it up. I played around with putting a piece of metal, a little piece of quarter, making it shorter, and then having it slide. It would have to move because once the stop comes onto here, I couldn't have it shortening, where it butted into it out here, it would throw my dimension off. And then just now, I looked over at my auxiliary fence on my table saw and that end feed. I can do the same thing on this. The ProStop, and I bring it all the way in as far as it can go. Then this space here, I can put a permanent support out here that will not interfere with the flag. So I take a piece, maybe this wide, I could rip it down a little bit. I've already cut it to length, and then I can attach it to the underside, glue it, put a couple screws in it, and then when the stop goes out, then the material out here will be supported. I'll probably narrow this up a little bit, but I think that's going to be the ideal solution to a minor problem. So if you've built yourself the ProStop Extend, check back in the future. When I get this all done, I'll show you how it turns out, and it'll be a really simple add-on. The only negative is I'm always looking for what I can take away to make it better, and in this case I have to add a little bit to make it better. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build a parts cart, plywood cart, a smart bench, smart station, any of the accessories that work with the smart system, or the Smart Woodshop, there's a link in the description of this video down below where you can go and purchase plans, packages of plans, and download them 24/7, 365. If you like this type of video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And when you subscribe, ring the bell so you'll know when we put up any of our videos here at the Smart Woodshop. Mahalo.